Afternoon, guys. It's 10 past 12. Sorry, 10 past 2, 9th of the 5th. I'm at the allotment in the greenhouse. My God, it's warm in here. Right, let me just show you what I've been doing. I'll zoom you out a little bit. What I've actually done with these now, you can see I actually put pots in. So all these are my tomatoes. And I've got Black Moon, Moneymaker, Alicante. I don't know whether that's the Crimson Crush or the Black Crimson, because that's the one where the two seeds got mixed up by mistake. This one here is another Alicante. This one is the Cherry Cerise. The big one there is the Black Cherry, chocolate cherry one. And this one here, this one is a Black Russian. So I'll turn around slowly, and I've got 2 cucumber plants in. One is already getting cucumbers on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch them out, because I don't want it concentrating on the fruit out there yet. I want it to grow. So I'll pinch them out for a minute. And that's the Satus Mini. So I'm going to leave that cucumber on, because they only grow about that big apparently anyway. I've got 2 cherry plants. One is a orange spice, I think it's called. Yeah. And the other one is a Frenzo chili. Here at the moment you're just carrying the old containers off the side here. So we're going to clear up all this lot as well, hopefully this weekend, and get rid of all these weeds here. That's short and sweet really on tomatoes and chilies what we put in. See you all later, bye bye.